What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for that noise in the background. That's my wife baking. I think she's baking her cake. She's making her cake and all that good stuff. And today we have a new video.
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Alright, guys, we're outside. Got some stuff here. Sorry, guys. Trying to get my stuff ready. Look who it is, Carl. What's up, buddy?
It's too hot for this.
There's your water there, too.
This is what keeps me motivated right there.
Yeah. So he said he works for water, so
Yes.
I got 2 cases for you, bro.
Exactly.
Mm.
And some gummy worms.
Oh, I got that too. But I have to take it from my daughter, so.
How good.
So if she catches you, then you're on your own. So what's up, buddy? I haven't seen you for a while, man.
You saw me blowing my tires?
Yeah, what you got? Oh, you changed it? Yeah.
Of course we did, though.
Oh, so what happened?
So yeah, like pretty much me and Marin, we were just like fine tuning some like 2-stepping and some flames or whatnot. And then this Q50 just pulled up out of nowhere. And I'm like, okay, you know, fuck it, why not? Sorry, I don't know if I'm allowed to curse. But yeah, by the way, I had a big case, like a big, you know, like the stack on cases in the back of the car. So whatever, Q50 lined up, we're like, whatever, you know, fuck it. Dropped down to second, slammed it, like pulled like 4 cars on freaking Q50. Marin is laughing, and then we let off, and then like the car just leaned. And we saw a bunch of smoke, you know, coming from the right side, and then like, ah shit. Pulled over, and literally there was a big chunk of like tire, like from here to like here, right there on the floor. And we're like, oh, yeah. So yeah, pretty much it. Tire back on, so we good.
Nice. Guys, and this guy's on low compression.
I know, right?
And he's still gapping people,
hey,
bro.
you know
Look at that, bro. That. Yeah, man. You should put something that says low compression.
I really should, though.
Yeah,
I
man.
should,
You
right?
well, I can make you a sticker.
Oh.
I got connections.
Oh, hey, make it happen.
Yeah, got connections now. Yep, I got somebody that does wraps and stickers and all that stuff.
All right, maybe just stickers.
Yeah.
I'm not going that far with this thing anymore. So.
She'll call wrap his car. Stay tuned. All right, guys. In this video, we're installing the Wideband, AEM Wideband. So, if you saw a couple of videos back, we tried to install it, but it didn't work out because we had a faulty, I don't know, O2 sensor or whatever it is. So, but we got it now. Carl's here. He's gonna install it, and hopefully it works this time. And it does. We're good. And that's about it. So we're gonna get to it. Yes.
At least he passes is like.
He's gonna mess up my shit. He's gonna mess it up. Oh my god. Rest in peace.
The splitter. Don't buy splitters.
Cars are hard at work right now.
Barely. Car's light as fuck.
Alright. Just gotta feed the wires to him. Well, actually, he did it himself, but.
Nah, you gotta help me because I think I still need more.
That's why we're installing, baby.
I see it.
You got it? Or do I need to help you?
Huh?
You got it?
Yep.
I had to do anything.
Alright, you can pull it all the way up.
Pull it.
All the way up.
More?
Yep. All the way. Make it snug.
Look like it's stuck.
No, it's not stuck.
So I can't pull.
Yeah.
No. I can't pull no more.
Oh, okay, I see one. There. Stop.
Alright. We're good. We're good, guys. We're good.
What's JP's favorite color?
It's black. That's why we're friends.
Anything else you want to tell?
No.
No, my wife's watching.
Now my wife won't watch this. She not a short guy thing.
I see her comment on some of the videos.
Yeah, she's funny.
She is.
It's my little troll.
Your biggest troll.
Yes. Oh.
Not your only troll.
Yeah.
Alright, you can start up the car and then I'll plug it.
Alright guys, we're gonna do a test. Test. I'm automatic, brother. Sorry guys.
I was gonna tell you, try not to pull a noir, bro.
Nah, I'm automatic.
Yeah, you're automatic, so you said.
So you want it on, right?
Yeah, so we can test it like that. Pretty much last time when he got the wideband, I think they claimed that the sensor was wrong. I think the sensor was completely fine. I think it was something wrong with this. I'm pretty sure they opened it and tested something with it. Yeah. So pretty much what it was doing is that. What the hell is that thing? Look at that.
Holy shit.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know, man.
Oh hell no.
Oh hell. Yo, that's an
Bro,
oversized.
that got me fucked up. What the fuck is this?
Look at it.
Bro, Area 51.
That's Area 51 right there, brother. Right there, we got one.
Bossa, is that you?
Dang, bro. Yo, is that a fucking big ass fly? I mean, like a mosquito?
Hey, that's Skinny Guy Productions right here.
Yo, he's a mutated freaking bug.
You know what that is?
Yeah, there you go. Peace. Peace. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe.
But yeah, so what was happening is that the wideband, it wasn't reading. Like, you would plug it up and it was just not reading at all. It would actually die, the number thingy, it would just not read anything. So, you know, messed with it, thought it was like maybe not enough voltage or whatnot, played with it all freaking night and it just didn't work. So came to the conclusion that it was faulty, sent it to the people, and they said it was faulty. So yeah, now they sent us another one, and then this one seems to be working. So
Hey,
we'll see.
What did you say you was playing all night?
Huh?
You say you was playing with something all night?
Oh,
What?
the wideband, the wideband.
Oh, that's what you call it?
Wideband, yes.
Because of the wideband. That's why you named it?
Yes.
Let me stop
I can
you.
vote on you, man.
That's fine, baby. It's only when Carl comes, man. Things get
So you gotta
rated R.
Wow, okay.
Alright guys, so the wires, ran the wires, so that's good. This thing works. That's good. He's gonna mess around over here inside here. He's gonna do his thing here, and we should be good.
Sir.
Anytime. Get another one.
No, I'm good, Thank
Babe,
you.
Stop it.
babe, please.
No.
Are you a Shark Guy fan?
No.
Damn, man. Why? At least you love me? Do you love me?
No.
Damn. I ain't even a love.
Can you open the door for me, please?
Are you a Shark Guy fan?
No.
Shit.
Come on.
Well, can't win with her. Look at this weather. Guys, to give you an update, it started to rain, so we have to find a spot where we could finish the work. Alright guys, we're in a new location. I think this is way better. No rain falling on us now. Every time you come out here, always want to rain.
They say rain is good luck.
I guess so. I heard pigeon shitting on you is good luck.
Yeah, I'm good. I'll bet. I have to pass on that one.
You guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's right there. Short Guy Productions. Same as YouTube. Short Guy Productions.
I'm going to record you biting on this fucking wire.
Dude. And follow the crew as well. BQ Southeast. Follow us, baby. If you have a BQ, hit us up. If you want to be down with us, just DM me or DM BQ Southeast. Alright, and we'll give you all the details how to join.
Alright guys, so moment of truth. Everything is wired up. I made sure to actually, just plug it in, making sure that everything's gonna work instead of actually, making it look nice and all that stuff and then plugging it in afterwards. Because last time obviously, it didn't work. So yeah, it's wired up. This is gonna be the first pretty much click. Let's see if it works, and then we're gonna monitor it, see if it's actually reading properly. Alright, so you ready, JP?
Let's go.
And there we go. So AC on, it's getting power. Okay, and then now we're actually gonna turn it on so we can see the actual reading properly. Alright, idle 14.4, 14.3. Alright, that's not bad. Oh, you're only 85, right? Yeah. Okay, that's right. Okay, makes sense. Everything is good. Checks out, it reads. We're actually gonna finish everything up and then we're gonna take it out on the streets so you can actually see how it runs and what you're getting as far as AFR. So yeah guys, we did it this time.
About time. Alright guys, we're done. Let's start it up. Out. I think your car is too cold. I don't see no flames.
Huh?
I don't see those flames coming out.
Oh no,